I believe in the emotion that is invested in designing and making of a jewelry piece. It's not just a piece of metal, or it's not something which can be evaluated by the cost or the value in it. It is the feelings and the emotions which are invested at the time of buying it. Because somebody who's buying it is buying for a reason, for a purpose. Whether it is for a wedding for their daughters or daughter-in-laws, it's for a birthday, there has to be some occasion which is associated with it. So jewelry is something which is purchased in the family with a lot of thought. Like आप मार्केट जाते हैं, आप शर्ट है, कोई बैग है, आप ऐसे ही पिकअप कर लेते हैं. तो ज्वेलरी के लिए आप प्लान करके लेते हैं, बिकॉज वो एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है. एंड इट हैज प्रूवन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स हैज एक्चुअली गिवन गुड रिजल्ट्स. डायमंड्स लोग कई बार नहीं बिलीव करते कि उनका रिटर्न्स अच्छा है, बट अगर आप लॉन्ग पीरियड में देखें दैट इन लॉन्ग पीरियड इट हैज गिवन गुड रिटर्न्स, एंड गोल्ड फॉर श्योर हैज गिवन वेरी गुड रिटर्न्स. So whenever you are buying a jewelry for your family, the first and foremost thing you must keep in mind is whom you are purchasing it for, because it is very important for you to keep in mind the person who will be wearing it, because वो आपने तो पहनना नहीं है, जिसने पहनना है आप उनकी पर्सनालिटी, उनका लाइफस्टाइल और उनकी टेस्ट और एस्थेटिक्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप ज्वेलरी देखें कि वो जो उनको पसंद आएगी उसके हिसाब से आप वो डिज़ाइन करवाएं या बनवाएं. That is very, very important. And obviously the metals and the materials which are going inside it, because I believe when the jewelry is made in gold, it should be, basically clubbed with all precious metals and materials, and not like doing a hitch pitch with the, mixing up with glass or mixing up with some synthetic stones or something like that. Sometimes to maintain budgets people do it, but probably it's not the best idea, because when it is a real jewelry piece or a precious or fine jewelry piece, you must make it with a lot of passion. And even if it's a small piece, but believe me, when you make it, you will see that when it has all the real stones and the diamonds and natural diamonds and gold, it speaks for its beauty and its value.